What's up fans, Raju here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this JVG affiliate marketing for beginners tutorial. In this video, I will show you step by step everything how to promote JVG products for free and what other marketers do for promoting JVG products, what I do for promoting JVG products, and what you have to do for promoting JVG products. I will show you step by step everything in just 3 steps. So guys, don't miss any part of this video. I will show you everything that will help you to promote JVG products and make 100 per day easily. If you are an expert and advanced marketer or a newbie marketer, it doesn't matter, anyone can apply this method and promote JVG products for making JVG commission. I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of Legendary Marketer, ClickBank, JVG and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, in this video you are going to show JVG affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, and you can make 100 a day, and all those needs only 3 steps, and I will show you all those 3 steps that will help you to promote JVG products and make JVG commission for free. And if you are a newbie or an expert, it doesn't matter, don't miss any part of this video. I will show you everything in this video. So guys, first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. You see here, it's an educational YouTube channel and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel, and I am uploading videos in the daily basis. Inside my YouTube channel, I try to cover JVG tutorial, ClickBank tutorial, Warrior Plus tutorial, CPA method, free traffic, high ticket program, everything inside my YouTube channel. So if you are a newbie and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, then subscribe my YouTube channel, watch all of my videos. You will get all the ideas, everything inside affiliate marketing, online marketing, and a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. So guys, don't miss any part of this video and don't miss to subscribe my YouTube channel, so for getting a lot of helpful content. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. You will get an educational training program for online marketing, a lot of marketing strategies, advanced training, everything inside here. You see here, join this 6-figure number on business model and you will get it, and get unlimited buyer traffic here, this traffic secret. So you can check it, you can grab it. Now in this video, it's an JVG affiliate marketing tutorial for the beginners. At first, I want to say, if you think this tutorial or this video is just one click and make JVG commission, no. If you want to get overnight success, it's not possible, because online marketing is not possible in overnight. So you have to do, or you have to wait, you have to be patient, you have to be consistent for getting online results and start your online journey for a long time, for a lifetime. But in the various marketplaces like Warrior Plus and other marketplaces, you will see some software that will promise, hey guys, make on click and get unlimited traffic for affiliate commission. Hey guys, everything done for you, just buy this software and get built-in traffic for affiliate commission. No, this type of software or for make money online. So you have to grow your traffic sources day by day gradually, and you can get affiliate commission day by day gradually. So in this video I will show you everything, what I do personally, what I do for making JVG commission, what other marketers do for JVG commission. And if you want to promote JVG products and if you want to make JVG commissions, then you have to do all those things that I do, that other marketers do for promoting JVG products. So guys, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. So guys, you will never be disappointed, you will never be frustrated, to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and don't miss any video inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month likely me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. Now I will show you everything in just 3 steps. So you see here, step number 1, you have to join JVZoo affiliate network. So go here, jvzoo.com, register a free account. It's so much simple and so easy. Use your full name, your email address, your password, your confirm password, your country, and click here and register it. Then verify your account and email will be sent to your account. Just click this link and easily verify your account. Then select a get paid for which ways you want to get your payments. Select PayPal or Payoneer or anything as your wish, and recommended tools already your account has been completed. So it's one of the simplest step to start this JVZoo affiliate marketing. So after register here, the step number 2, find out best product to promote. After registering your JVZoo account for free, you have to find out the best product, and it's step number 2. You see here all the find products, the affiliate section and the find products. Then you see here all the top listed products of JVZoo, and you can send request approval for promoting those products, and you can promote all those products easily. Okay, now but I recommend you to promote latest product, the new products, the upcoming products. Okay, and for if you can promote latest upcoming products, then you can get the best result, because in this method, which method I want to see, and for this you have to promote upcoming products. And for getting upcoming products, you can visit this website manchai.com. You see here manchai.com, and you see all the upcoming products, JVZoo products here. You will get here. You see here. So you have to choose your best product from here. And suppose you want to promote this offer, then go here. Then you see here the JV page. So go here. Inside the JV page, you will get all the details about the product, all the details about the vendor, and you see here get the affiliate link. By clicking this affiliate link, you can request the getting affiliate approval for promoting this product. Okay, and you see here my dashboard, and you see here all the commission that I already earned inside JVZoo affiliate marketing. Now step number 3, get traffic to promote. And traffic is the key to online success. If you have traffic, then you can make money. If you don't have traffic, then you never make a single dollar online. And using any software, using any bulky method, using any not workable, useless system, no, you don't get traffic from any software, bulky method and useless method. So you have to grow your traffic source day by day in the right ways. And in this video I will show you how to promote JVZoo products in the right way. And if you want to promote JVZoo products in the right way, then review products review is the number one option, and I think it's the best option. No other option works for promoting JVZoo products. You have to write a review, you have to make video about a review. So review is the best way to promote JVZoo products, and in this video I will show you what I do for promoting JVZoo products, what other marketers do for promoting products. But if you think a simple social share, a simple scam comments can help you to promote JVZoo products, no, you have to write a review to promote JVZoo products, and it's the one and only the best way to promote JVZoo products. Sorry. Now you can promote your reviews. You have to write your review first, then you need to get rank on Google. Otherwise, who will see your review? How can you get traffic? So you have to rank your review in on Google, and for this, website building a website is the best, and it's my recommendation. Or create a YouTube channel, make real review. It's my recommendation. But I will see you other ways that you can make reviews, write reviews, and get traffic, as like as website, as like as YouTube video. Now, those the free ways to write review. Number on website. So I recommend you, I suggest you build a website. It's needed just $10 for your domain and $3 for your hosting, $4 for your hosting charge, and $8 for your positive SSLs. So you have to invest $21 all over for building a website, for creating a website, and I recommend you to build a website. And if you see here, it's my website, a review with Raju, and I am posting here in the daily basis all the upcoming products. And you see here, it's one of my products review, and today's, if you want to get today's result, you see here, I get this sale from this product ProfileMate, and it's it's my ProfileMate review. And you see here, I write this review. You see here, and all the review content here, summary of the ProfileMate, what is ProfileMate, why ProfileMate is recommended for anyone, does it really work for Instagram marketing, how can you make money with ProfileMate, what ProfileMate software, what will do ProfileMate software for you, top 5 reasons why you need ProfileMate, all 3 autos of ProfileMate software, does ProfileMate ought to buy or does it risk free, is ProfileMate a scam, and my final verdict. It's all of the content of my review. If you build a website, you can post this type of review inside your website for getting unlimited traffic. And if you want to say, hey Raju, I want to start my online business, and it's for a long time, for lifetime, then obviously recommended to build a website. Okay, now on the other ways, the other free ways to write your review, it's medium.com. You can use Medium is another social media platform. You can use Medium to write your review, and if you write one review, suppose if you write this review, then you don't need to write different review for the different ways, for the different sites. Just write one review. and all you can post all the same review, all the same places, all the places. So if you search this profile mate review, you see here some of the guys or medium for this uh, review search. And here is my website, profile mate review. You see here this reviewwithraju.com, and you can easily post your review on Medium and get search like this guy. Okay, now you can use other ways. Site Google is the part of Google, and you can write the same review, the same post, make a post on site Google and get uh, get a rank on Google and get traffic. Then make a blogger at another part of Google, and you can make your website to build a blog site. So you can post on Blogger and you can get results like this. Then you can use Facebook page as your Facebook page for making a post. And in the case of Facebook page, you have to create different Facebook page, new Facebook page according to your products. And in the case of Medium, site Google, Blogger and Facebook page, you have to write review in, you have to write advanced review. Advanced review means, suppose today is 4th October, you see here, but in the case of this OS, Medium, site Google, Blogger and Facebook page, you have to write minimum 3, 4, 5 days review, such as today is 4th October. Now you have to write review on 9th October, 8th October, 10th October, this type of products. Then you will get search, obviously, I guarantee you. But if you think today is 4th October, I want to write review on these days, today's product, then you will get results in the case of site Google, Medium, Blogger and Facebook page. But if you can build website, like me, then you can promote any products from any test. In this case, you don't need to promote advanced products. Okay, but I always recommend you, I always suggest you to promote minimum few days advanced product, that it will help you to get strong search position on Google. And the sixth way is YouTube. You have to make review video and upload on YouTube. And in the case of making videos, you can use OBS software, OBS Studio. You see here, this is the best software for recording videos, and in this video I use this OBS software for making this video. So you can easily grab it from Google or Google search, and if you are an Windows user, Mac user, it doesn't matter, anyone can use this free software. Just download to your PC or your computer and start recording. Just open this software, it's 100% free. You don't need to buy it, you don't need to pay any monthly charge, it's 100% free. So the free ways, you have to, my first recommendation, to build a website, then you can post on Medium, then you can post on site Google, then you can post on Blogger, blog site, and you can post your Facebook page and make a review video and just make a complete review. Then you can post everything, then even all those review you can make video as your own and upload it on YouTube for getting traffic. And if you want to get lifetime traffic, if you want to get a long time business, then my first recommendation is website and YouTube. Then you will get lifetime traffic for lifetime online business. Okay. And now you can say, hey Raju, I don't know how to write a website. Okay. And for this, I make a video how to write a good review of any product, top tips for anyone. I made this video and you can check my YouTube channel and watch this video how to write a good review. And in this video I will show step by step everything how I write this review. Suppose this review, how I write this review, I everything show, and what type topics you needed to add inside your review, everything you will get in this video. So in this video I don't elaborate it in this video. For this you can just simply watch this video and get the best idea to write a best review that will convert like crazy. Now it's the free ways to write a review. Now the paid ways. You can say I have no money, and for this the free ways. Okay. Now you can say I have money and I want hurry result, quick results, and for this number on Google Ads. Okay. Your task is same. You have to write a review first. Okay. You have to write this type of review first. And for this you can watch this video and get the best idea to write the best review. Okay, you have to write this type of review first. Then see here, a lot of guy run ads, and you can run ads. And a few times, sometimes I run ads, but when you have website, it doesn't matter to run ads, because if I run ads such as I get my position here. Okay, I run ad and I get position here, and it's my website and I get position here. It doesn't matter, it's the first page of Google, so I get traffic. So when you have no don't have website and you want to get hurry results, these guys have don't website, ranked website, but they ads for getting instant traffic, and you have to cost money for this. If you want to get instant result, then you have to cost money, but if you want to get free results, then you have to wait and you have to be consistent to be the worth of getting results. That's simple. So you can run Google Ads and get instant traffic. And the other way, you can buy solo ads, and for this you can say you can visit this udemy.com. You see here this udemy.com, and it's the best solo ad provider website. You can get your solo ad from this udemy.com, and you see here all the seller of udemy.com. You can choose any of them, but before choosing any of them, you can get the message. You can make friend, then message, then communicate with them to get all the details, what you want to promote, how much the value of the product, everything you have to discuss about them and choose the best one to buy solo ads. And these two ads are the paid traffic sources for getting instant traffic, but I recommend you to use the free traffic sources. And for getting free traffic sources, you have to write review, and on review just write a on review, and on review makes 5 ways to get traffic. Suppose you make a review, then post on Medium, site, Google, Blogger, and make a Facebook page. On side or on way, you will get the rank on Google. Suppose your website, you have to grow your website day by day. For the first 3-4 months, you don't rank on your website on Google, but you can rank your site, Google, Medium, blog, or Facebook page every time on Google. So just make a on post and get the 5 opportunities to get results. When you get the 5 ways, then on is enough to get traffic. So guys, make on review and create 5 opportunities to get unlimited organic traffic. And the same on review, you can make a simple YouTube video, and if you can make YouTube video, then your competition is so much low. It's so low. Within 1 week or within 1 month, within 1 month, you can get your every review video rank on YouTube. Even some videos you will get rank on your Google. So most of the marketer are afraid of making videos, but it doesn't matter. Just take action and get the results. So guys, if this video helped you to start your JVZoo affiliate marketing, then like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box. I am always here to reply your question. And don't forget to share this video with the other marketers to your friends. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and punch the notification bell for my upcoming videos, new videos, and to be the first viewer all of my videos. And it's an educational YouTube channel, a lot of helpful content inside here. You will get a lot of marketing ideas, traffic ideas, everything inside here. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description here to join the number on business model. It's an educational training program. You will get how to start your online journey and how can you long run your online journey, everything, a lot of ideas. It's a proven training program for everyone. And if you want to get unlimited buyer traffic sources, then you can get this traffic sources. It's one of the best buyer traffic sources for the number one entrepreneur Russell Brunson in this 2020. So you can get it, you can check it. So guys, don't miss to subscribe this YouTube channel Raju Bhadro, and you never be disappointed, you never be frustrated to subscribing my YouTube channel. I promised you, I try my best to provide the right ways to online marketing. So guys, in these 3 steps, join to ClickBank affiliate network, then find out the best product to promote and get traffic to write review. And for writing review, you will get this video, how to write a good review of any product. So in this video, will help you to write the best review, and by using 3 ways, you can simply make 100 per day from JVZoo. So guys, if this video helped you, don't forget to don't forget to like this video and comment this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, see you soon. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe me. Best of luck. Bye.